Welcome to 5709 White Trillium Loop in Land O'Lakes in the community of Dupree Lakes. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,200 square foot home, 2-story, built in 2009, 2-car garage and an immensely large pool in the backyard. So overall, this is the street. All right, let's see if I can. So as you enter into large double entry doors, you walk into the formal living space for the formal living room, formal dining room. It's a large open room with a kitchen and the family room in the back of the house. So this has been completely, interior was just freshly painted and brand new carpet. The ACs, let me go through to remember. The ACs, the roof was done in 2023. The ACs were done in 2023 as well. And this house is connected with Nest thermostat for control. Refrigerator is 2023. Dishwasher is fairly new, 2024. Washer is 2023. They did an upgrade in the master shower in 2024. The pool pump is 2018. So everything's freshly updated to no extent. So it's ready for a new family to come in and enjoy the home. So this is the spacious breakfast nook area right off the kitchen, and then used as a family room area as well. So you have your kitchen, a large kitchen pantry. You have plenty of countertop space, 42-inch cabinets with crown molding. So you have everything a gourmet chef would want. Again, this home was built in 2009, but everything has been updated. So you go out back, iron rod fence with excellent landscaping to give you a private backyard. Since this is on the corner, it's a pie-shaped lot. The extremely large pool. I've been doing this for 20 years, and this is one of the largest pools and pavered patio area that I've seen. And you have a full outdoor kitchen with running water. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be up over 5 minutes. So it'd be a nice outdoor kitchen with full running water and an outdoor refrigerator. Extremely well maintained home. Just needing the new family to come in and start making new memories. The home has a Tesla charging station, so an EV charging station. You have the half bath downstairs for guests. Laundry room going out into the garage. You have a lot of extra storage. This was converted into a room for the family pet. The garage has a lot of stuff in it, so I won't, but there's a lot of hanging shelves and such. This is the primary bedroom, which is extremely large. This home was built by Beazer Homes back in 2009. 3,200 square foot. So you have the large, ample space in the walk-in closets. Then you have the primary bath area, water closet, walk-in shower, garden tub. This home has everything, and it's well updated, ready to go with all the major expenditures completely redone. The grout floor was just cleaned. The carpet is brand new. Interior paint was completely painted. The walls and the trim. So as you go upstairs, the primary bedroom is downstairs, so you have this large open media family room. It's just an auxiliary room. It's very deep. And again, I should have opened up this window. As you can see, whoops, not very good. Out the back, so you have a lot of privacy. So you have 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, Jack and Jill bath. This they use as an office. It's a huge room upstairs. It's like 14 by 18 or something like that. It's actually a nice walk-in closet. And then join the pool and the patio area, since the backyard faces almost due north, almost. You have the sunsets off to the left side, so you get actually beautiful sunsets. I think in one of the listing pictures it has that. This is a separate bedroom right off the guest bathroom upstairs with the deep walk-in closet. You have a lot of storage. And then as you go over into the Jack and Jill bedrooms, and you're looking for a home with large room sizes. Most of the homes built today don't have any more, or they are around 10 by 11, maybe if you get 10 by 12, maybe. But most of the new construction homes, these are very large size rooms. So you have the Jack and Jill bath. And then the 5th bedroom off in the backyard. If I can see, so it overlooks the pool and that's a community area that won't be touched. It's owned by the HOA. This is a CDD community. It has lots of amenities. They are just redoing the little kids playground. Has tennis courts, volleyball. I actually think it's beach volleyball. And they have a lot of other, a huge soccer field, a large size pool. So you have a lot of amenities in this community. Actually, for the area, it's one of the larger amenities in these communities. And the fees are not that high for the monthly because everything's in the CDD fee. But everything came out very well. They just refreshed the house and got everything done and taken care of. Ready and available, waiting for its new family to come in and start making brand new memories. Awesome community with good schools.